What's up guys, my name is Elia and welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about NIKOLA Motors, or maybe NIKOLA Motors, I'm not sure. But before we start, hit that like button and follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more really good videos. Before we start, I want to say one thing. Personally, I don't think that NIKOLA Motors is a competitor to Tesla, and now I'll explain you why. Well, let's be honest, Tesla is a great company, but they're making cars. NIKOLA Motors will make 18-wheelers, and the biggest advantage of Nikola's 18-wheelers that they will be powered by hydrogen. And we all know that Tesla announced that they're going to make their 18-wheelers, but Tesla's 18-wheelers will be powered by electric batteries, which is, it's a big battery, very heavy, and heavy battery on 18-wheelers means less payload. And this is really crucial for truck business. The truck margins are how much they spend, how much they weight, and how much they can grab at the same time. And there are a bunch of other rules and laws that not allow the truck to be heavier than certain amount. This is why 18-wheeler by NIKOLA is such a great thing for the truck business. NIKOLA also has a really good advantage. The hydrogen cell powered electric vehicle will take only 10 to 15 minutes for a full charge in comparison with couple hours for Tesla's trucks. Even right now, the Tesla's car, even in a supercharged Tesla station, will take you around 30 to 40 minutes. For the trucking business, time is everything. If you're gonna spend an hour to charge your truck, you're gonna lose so much money. This is why 10-minute hydrogen stations by NIKOLA will be such a great thing. Besides 18-wheelers, NIKOLA also gonna make a pickup truck that, by the way, looks much better than Cybertruck. Let's be honest, here's the picture. It looks so much better, and it actually looks like a normal car. I do love Tesla, but their Cybertruck is very specific vehicle, and personally, I don't like it. The NIKOLA Motors is a technology company. Besides trucks, they have a lot of technology, and they even got paid by other companies like Bosch to do a research for them, which is a pretty good thing because their usually research takes a lot of time and a significant amount of money, and it's very expensive. And for the small company that just started their journey, it would have been a really big hustle. And that some other companies pay for their research is really good for NIKOLA. For right now, in May 2020, NIKOLA hasn't made even one truck, but guess what? They have orders for 14,000 trucks, which is equals to almost $10 billion when those trucks are actually made. Right now we are building a huge manufactory in Phoenix, Arizona. I think it's Phoenix. I know it's in Arizona, but I don't remember the town. And I think it's 1 year away from being complete. But even before, we have signed the contract with Iveco, or maybe Iveco. It's a huge truck company in Europe, and they're gonna make their trucks in Germany, and then they will deliver this truck to the United States. Yes, it's probably gonna be not that cost efficient, but it's a great start. And while they're waiting for their manufacturer to be ready, they can still make some money and they can still sell their cars. Another thing that right now in 2020 we don't really have a lot of hydrogen fuel stations, and this is going to be another really good business opportunity for Nikola. By building a hydrogen stations, they can create future for everybody else. Let's say in 5 years some other small companies will start creating a hydrogen cars, or maybe hydrogen bikes, or maybe even hydrogen 18-wheelers. But guess what? It doesn't matter for Nikola. If they're gonna be a #1 on hydrogen fuel market, everybody will use their hydrogen stations. This is how they're gonna make a lot of money. For the beginning, in 2021, they're gonna build just a couple hydrogen stations, because on one full tank, the 18-wheeler can go from 700 to 1200 miles, which is it's pretty much the same range in comparison with diesel trucks. But guess what? Hydrogen powered vehicles are zero emission and really good for the environment, which is it's a huge thing and a huge opportunity for truck business to be a little bit more safe for environment and more safe for us, which is, let's be honest, right now it's a really big concern with all this like global warming and viruses and all this stuff. So let's don't mess around with it. Let's make the mother nature happy. Yes, a lot of people think that, yo, Nikola won't succeed. We have Tesla. Why? Well, don't compare Nikola and Tesla. I think it's two totally different companies. Tesla is a very great company, and for people who think that Nikola won't succeed, 10 years ago, well, not 10 years ago, in 2014, nobody even cared about Tesla. They just had a couple cars, not a lot of supercharge station. The cars itself wasn't that great. Yes, it was a cool thing, the electric vehicle car, but it wasn't for the mass market. Right now, you can go and order Tesla online on your phone, and in 2 weeks it will be delivered to your home. And I'm pretty sure every single city in the United States of America, well, at least on East Coast and West Coast, have at least one charging station for Tesla. So it's very easy right now to own one, but back in the days it was such a hustle, and you probably should have like thrown a extension cord from your window so you can actually charge your car. And Nikola will create a good ecosystem for the future, for our competitors, for other cars. Unfortunately, right now the production of hydrogen is very dirty and not really good for the environment. But guess what? The Tesla battery production isn't that great for the environment too. Unfortunately, this is the price we have to pay for the future. But I feel like the more money you invest, the more cars you create on hydrogen, the cleaner and better the production will be. Where can you buy Nikola stocks? Well, technically, Nikola hasn't had their IPO yet, but by buying VTIQ, which is a special purpose acquisition company, and the SPAC's main goal is to raise money for the company before their IPO. The Nikola's IPO will be in this coming June in second. Now I think it's trading around $27-28, which is $10 higher than a week ago. After the IPO, VTIQ's ticker will be changed to Nikola's, which is NKLA. That's it, guys. I really think that Nikola is a great company with a great potential, and in the future can make you a lot of money on a long term, on the long run. It's a really good investment. Alright, hit that like button, bell, subscribe, and we'll see you.